welcome back. So today I have a long-awaited video. This is basically my uni haul, everything I'm bringing to uni pretty much. I'm going to drama school, so it's not like a normal uni. I'm going to be living in a house rather than uni accommodation. I'm very much like a home person, and I just feel like staying in a house is going to be way more suited to me. I have gone so OTT on this, but I know that the home comforts is what's going to stop me from feeling homesick and like settle in better. So, you know, this is what I've bought. Don't feel like this is what you need. Before we get into this video is going to be a little bit like crazy. I'm going to film this in different bits and then piece it together, so if it's a bit strange, that will be why. Also, don't forget to check out all of my links in the description. Let's do this. I've bought a duvet, which is a 15 tog, which splits into 2 duvets, so you've got a lighter and a thicker duvet. I've also bought some pillows. They were all from Dunelm. For my throw cushions, I wanted to like do a green and pink theme, so I've got 2 of these like sage green kind of cushions. These are from Dunelm, so I got 2 of them. And then to go with that, I bought this long cushion here, which again is from Dunelm, 30 by 80. It's got like the pink colour, but the green, literally, so perfect. I also got a mattress topper. This one is from Dunelm. It's like one of the cheapest ones they got that was in stock. I'm only showing you things really that I've bought. There's a few things that I've already got at home. I've got this bath mat from Dunelm. I just got one. It's pink, it's bobbly. I then got 2 hand towels in, I think, the blush colour. I got 2 of the bath sheets. I prefer bath sheets to normal towels. They're just too small. I got this from a little local shop. They're just a 3-tier of steamers. I don't think I'm going to bring all 3 layers, but I thought this would be so useful. Cook a lot, and the course I'm doing, I'm going to need to eat well. So I've gone OTT on kitchen appliances. A muffin tray from Dunelm for cakes and Yorkshires. A set of mixing bowls from Amazon. They're just like 3 different sizes. They're quite small. A sieve. I feel like I got this from TK Maxx. It was in a set of 3, but I'm only bringing 1. 2 cereal holders from Cherries. Kitchen brushes. Pyrex jug. I got a big, a medium, and I'm buying a mini one. I use jugs for everything. A cutlery holder. This is something I'm actually going to talk about a little bit more. This is from Joseph & Joseph, so it's a little bit more than a normal cutlery holder, but it is such a space saver. Like, look at that. I'll insert a photo so you can actually see what it is, but I just thought this was genius, so I bought this. Okay, this isn't something that I bought, but I've just got it here. This is from our caravan, but it's just a set of knives. They're by Kitchen Craft. I don't think I'm going to keep the knife block there, but they're just in it at the moment. I might do, but I doubt it. A food container and another food container from Cherries. 2 mugs. These are from Sass & Bell. I've also got 2 more mugs that I got for my birthday that I'm bringing. A electric whisk. This is from Dunelm. Another food container from Cherries. Cheese grater from Amazon. This is one that's got a little tub on it, so you grate it into the tub, and it's also got a lid. Enough tea towels to last me a lifetime. These are from Dunelm. They're just these grey ones. I've heard horror stories about tea towels, so I've stocked up. Lids for the cereal containers. Plastic Tupperware. All of my kitchen utensils. These were from Amazon. I'm not keeping all of the utensils that it came with, but I have taken out all of the ones that I'm not going to be using. They're all like silicone type ones. And then I also got 2 wooden spoons, which were from Amazon. Measuring cups and measuring spoons. As I said, I do baking and cooking, so I feel like I need these. I got 2 egg cups from a charity shop. This net bag from Cherries, I actually don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I thought that was so cool. My chopping boards. This is a set of 4. I like the plastic ones, and I like the ones that have the ridges in them to catch like juices. So it's light grey, dark grey, and grey, blue, and a blue. Pizza tray. At home, I don't use a pizza tray. I just put my pizza straight in the oven, but I feel like I don't know how clean the uni oven's going to be. So I got 2 deep oven trays from Sainsbury's. I thought the small ones would be good because they're quite small that you could maybe put them in like that, but also if other people are cooking, a smaller one is going to take up way less space. A roasting tin from Sainsbury's. I thought these would be good for roast potatoes. I am going to get a little pie dish as well because I make a lot of pies and casseroles. I got some electronic scales from Dunelm. They're just this pink colour. A really big Tupperware box which came with my other ones, but inside I have got a lot of other things. for my whisk. A vegetable peeler. Vegetable peeler was from Amazon. A tin opener, or a can opener. And a garlic press, I think from Sainsbury's. And all of my cutlery was from B&M. They're this like square kind of shape. I didn't like the patterned ones. I was looking for gold, but I felt like that would just wash off. From home, these are like hot chocolate spoons, which I love. I do also have a bottle opener with a cork opener as well, but that is somewhere else, I don't know, which was from Dunelm. I originally bought all my mugs from Dunelm, but I saw some in another shop that I really liked more. So I bought them, so I've kind of got a few wasted mugs, but I'm sure I'll break some over the years, so they're spares in the loft. But one of them that I am still taking, which is going to be like a great hot chocolate mug or soup mug, is this giant one from Dunelm. I also got these food tongs. These are plastic. I have some silicone ones, but I find that they don't pick things up very well. So I thought these plastic ones would be really good, and I like the ones that go in like this. This is the corkscrew from Dunelm, and it's got a bottle opener on the top. These are my oven gloves. These were from a little independent shop in my local town, and they're very like slim and small, so I thought these would be really good to try, and they're just cute. Alexa, what's my notification?
One new notification from Amazon shopping.
Okay, this is just a few random bits of food. I've got some Quaker's Oats, squeezy honey from Cherry, all of this is from Cherries, some mustard, and 3 tins of soup. I have a colander, which was from B&M, and it's one of these collapsible ones, so it doesn't take up as much space. Gotta have your pasta. A smallish frying pan. This is like probably one of my most used sizes. When I got them, I didn't know where I was living, so I pretty much got them for all from TK Maxx. I got a wok from B&M. This one is like for all thingies. Wok is probably like my most used. Here's a unnecessary purchase. However, I make a lot of like, I'm planning on batch cooking because I'm not going to have much time to, so I'm going to make like sausage casseroles, curries and stuff, and I need a bigger pan for that, so I treated myself to this one, which is Lush. I also love that it has a lid. I'm hoping the lid will also fit on the wok. I think it will. This is just amazing for big dishes. I love using the one that we have at home. And then I got a large frying pan. I'm not a small frying pan kind of gal. I'm a big frying pan kind of gal. So from Dunelm I got a little vase. This is actually kind of bluey, but when you then put it up against the green it matches really, really well. I wanted some green to go in with the pink. And then I got some fake flowers from Dunelm and some like other fake like sprigs and stuff, which I'm going to pop into here. I've got a little rucksack from Dickies. I got this from ASOS. This is hopefully going to be like my main bag. I may need to use a dance bag instead, but this is what I've gone for. More random bits. A little llama piggy bank. No money will probably go in here. I just thought it was really cute. This was from Cherries. A hot water bottle from Cherries. So my bedding was from Dunelm. I got 2 of the same set. It is this really cute little dotty grey thing. So it's got this light spot on this side and then a darker, smaller spot on this side. So yeah, I got 2 sets of the same because I thought, I don't know if I'm going to have a tumble dryer where I'm living. I know I've got a washing machine, but I don't know if I'll have a tumble dryer, so I might need to air dry it, and in that case it obviously won't be dry on the same day unless it's boiling. So they are from Dunelm. I'm not sure if this one's still available, but I know you can get a black and white one. I also just got 2 fitted sheets from Dunelm as well. Obviously they are double. I can't remember how much it was. I got a giant teddy blanket. As I said, I've gone for pink. All of my pinks don't really match, so we're going for tones of pink. This is so fluffy, and it is the double size or king size, I don't actually know. That's like my lounging about blanket and keep me warm blanket. I've also got a decorative You Look Pretty blanket. Like, how cute are they? It doesn't match my pillow, my other cushion, but I don't care. I love it. Okay, so cleaning products. I don't have all of them right now, but I'm gonna add probably to this video when I have some more, or I just won't. It's not that important. But I got these from Cherries. So I've got 2 things of bleach, because you need bleach for a lot. The most beautiful washing up liquid I have ever seen in my life, also from Cherries, and it's a up to 50% lasting longer, and it smells like the stuff you put on your pillow to make you fall asleep. Like, I'm not even joking. It's incredible. Some mold and mildew blaster. We're in a uni house. This could be needed. The Knorr crease releaser. I've never used this before, but I thought I'm hardly going to be ironing my bedding. Like, I'm not going to be ironing, so I thought this could be good. Also from Cherries. And a Fabaloo, which is basically a VIP poo that you spray in the toilet to stop it smelling. This is kind of random but needed. It is a sewing kit. This was so cheap from Amazon, and it's just got kind of like your sewing essentials. So I've got bowls and plates up here. Haven't fully sorted through them yet, so I can't really show you properly. But it is this style, so it's this kind of like stony colour, and then it's got this really gorgeous pink on the inside. So I think I got 4 of everything, but I'm only going to bring 2, and then I've got spares at home. Oh, there's a good fly or spider. Ew, sorry if you don't like spiders, that's grim. So I got pasta bowls, I got side plates, big plates, cereal bowls, and I also got some little, oh, I can't show you, little dip bowls. Okay, I said this video was going to be quite bitty, so here's another bit. I got a laundry basket which folds, so I probably spent a bit more money on it, but like practically it's going to be so much better. This was from Amazon, and it literally opens up, slots down, you've got a really good sized laundry basket, and then you just pop it up and that folds so flat. I did a big IKEA trip, which I've been so excited for. Half of that is in my house currently, so I can't show you it, so surprise for the move-in vlogs. I got this from the range. It's literally just a plain lampshade because the one in my room is disgusting. I got this in TK Maxx. It is a little thing with a handle and little compartments to keep all of my cleaning products in. I did buy some cleaning products which I can't show you because they're somewhere else, but yeah. Also in the range I got 2 plastic boxes of these. I also got 2 big ones in IKEA, but these are smaller sized and they're really perfect. So I got 2 of them. I got a pair of kitchen scissors. This is so random. I got deep heat and deep freeze, and they're like roller ones, so your hands don't have to smell of the grossness that deep heat is. This was from Primark. This is a little like sage green storage box. This matches my cushions and everything so well. I was looking for this for so long. It's a mini Pyrex jug to go with my other Pyrex jugs. This is so useful. Like, I was so worried I was gonna have to live without it, and now I don't. I got this Febreze bathroom air freshener because our bathroom smells really bad. It's meant to last 90 days. Some dishcloths. These are by Spontex. I bought some over the weekend and I hated them once I used them, so I got some normal ones. From the range, I got this just basic salt and pepper shaker. This is so extra. Some storage stuff. These were from the range. These are like really thin, clear ones that can go in my like dressing table type thing. These ones are probably better for the fridge. These ones were slightly bigger, also from the range. This is a set of 3, so there's a big one and then 2 small ones. And the final thing is some floor cleaner, because I have wooden floor. So I don't have too much more really that I'm buying. I am buying this for food in my room. I'm also going to be buying this, which is going to be for my wardrobe. I'm either buying this or this. I went to my house and there were some hooks over the door that someone had left, so I'm keeping them. So that is everything. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's so OTT. I've tried to think strategically. There's a lot of things that I've been like, no, I'm not going to buy that. I don't need it, but I've still probably bought more than I need, but I'm sure I'm going to use it. If I don't, I don't. But it's my money, so it's fine. Do you want to say thanks to my mum and dad for buying my frying pans and my duvet, which I got for my birthday? Thanks, Mum. Thanks, Dad. If I miss anything else, then it will be in my move-in vlog, which will be coming up soon. It's going to be split into 2 parts because I've already filmed one half when I went to see my house the other day. So that's very exciting. Anyway, I've got a few more random vlogs and hauls coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for all of them. Hopefully there'll be good like uni content or at least drama school content. I don't really know what I'll be filming when I get there. I'm going to try and stick to my like twice weekly uploads, but it may only be weekly, if that, because there's going to be a lot of change and I have no idea how I'm going to cope. not in like a bad way. I just don't actually know whether I'm going to thrive or not. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you all soon. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Links down below to what I can remember and find, and also links to my social media, so go follow me on Instagram. Bye! I can't breathe without your